blowout on the highway. Definitely tore the tire. Look, we got a neighbor with a trailer. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Right tool matters. That's a big hole. Wheel off. Look at me, I'm a Harley mechanic. I meant a hardly a mechanic. That's the Harley mechanic.
Oh, you got it.
Right tool. Tire separating there. Ooh. Stupid crap in the road. You could even see whatever I ran over, like even damaged the rim. Dang. Tire seated. Yeah. Now brake pads. All right, got belt tension proper. Now just getting her back together. Well, she is back up and running. Old Gray here. Honestly, I need to express a couple things. I am super grateful that on the highway, there was a large hole in that tire that I didn't just eat shit. I mean, I got that wobble and I was like, oh, I had to get off the freeway really quickly. So I thank God. I mean, first off, you know what? I thank God for putting a good neighbor in my life to help me out in these kind of situations. You know, I mean, it's just, I'm just very thankful. I paid out of pocket for the tire and for the brake pads. Everything else, I either had it, my neighbor had it, and we got it done. So she is back up and ready for action.